This don't feel like home anymore. Nothing's familiar when I walk through my door. So I thank the heavens, or whoever's in charge. This don't feel like home anymore. I don't feel the pain I once did. One day it just vanished like a milk carton kid, or a rooftop set free in a hurricane wind. I don't feel the pain I once did. Home was just a broken heart, a driveway to park a car, a memory of a dream long since in discard. You see, I won't be surprised at the joy in my heart. I don't feel the pain I once did. I no longer feel such a shame since the day she stood beside me at a football game. And I knew that I loved her before I knew her name. I no longer feel such a shame. Home was just a broken heart, a driveway to park a car, a memory of a dream long since in discard. See, I won't be surprised for the joy in my heart. This don't feel like home anymore. This don't feel like home anymore.